Hey, what's up, YouTube? I told you guys I was going to be doing that unboxing on this amplifier. Just got it in, the Crown Ultratech 1010. It came yesterday, but I didn't have time to open it, so I'm going to unbox it for you guys today. Yeah, man. I'm still catching a lot of good deals. And this box in here is beautiful. The way they boxed this, man. They really did a great job. They actually double boxed it, as you can see. So yeah, they did a nice job on the wrapping this thing. I mean, they really did their thing. This is the way you're supposed to wrap stuff when you're selling it to people, man. You want to make sure that they get this stuff in one piece, so that way, you know, you can get your merchandise in one piece. This is how you box. This is how you package something. You see that? The corners are packed. This is how you do that. My mail carrier yesterday told me, he said, this thing is very heavy. I said, I know it is. Let me take this out right quick. Get this box out of the way. Okay. Let's set this up on the table. Take a look at her. Oh. Okay. This is it. Very nice piece of equipment here. You guys can see that. It's a clean looking amp. We're going to do the testing tomorrow. Shall we get the testing done tomorrow? Nice and clean. I'm happy with it. What I love about these crowns, they are super heavy. Well, anyway, that's it for this video. I will give you guys an update on how it sounds and whether or not it's working properly. And peace out, and I will catch you guys in the next video.